back in the kitchen, and we pulled out our pork tenderloin, which we've allowed to rest for a little while. So we're going to slice it, and we're going to plate up all the things that we showed you how to make. Okay? That's the beauty. And slice it. Okay, it's beautiful. Beautifully done inside, nice and cooked through, but still nice and moist and delicious. Okay, so we're going to slice it up in portion size, what I think is a good portion. So I think maybe 3 slices should be good for one person. So let's slice it nice and thin. 1 piece. 2, 3. Okay. And with plating, you always want to plate the meat at the center of attention. Okay. Alright. That's perfect. So we're going to go get some of the potatoes. You can plate up the potatoes, the roasted potatoes. You can put them right there. Beautiful vegetables right in the middle. Nice and colorful. Get a nice pile of it. Lentils right on the side. And lastly, the beautiful gravy right here in the front. She was chatting with Robert B. Then she says, "Ye walked off to have lunch." Okay. You don't want it to cover all of it, just a little of it. And don't turn the water off. And let me wipe off that and just give me one final finishing touch.
It looks flawless, man.